With a plug-in hybrid vehicle, you get the best of both worlds. You have a battery to allow for emission-free driving around areas such as a city where it matters the most. Or you've then got a highly efficient petrol engine coupled with it for those longer journeys when you need them. At present, as we speak, we have one engine rolling off the production line every minute at our BMW plant Hams Hall engine production facility, which is located just outside of Birmingham. Of those engines, 1 in every 5 is destined for use in a BMW or Mini plug-in hybrid vehicle. In addition to this, we have the new all-electric Mini, which is produced at Mini Oxford. This new Mini, we've already produced 11,000 units of it, and they're now starting to be handed over to our customers. For our plug-in hybrid vehicles, this new technology allows an automatic transfer into an electric driving mode when they reach a designated zone within the city. The vehicle, with its intelligent computers, will automatically store the energy that's needed for use within these zones. So the benefits are twofold. For the driver, they can reduce their fuel consumption, which ultimately leads to lower running costs. For the city, we're reducing the emissions and also the noise levels, so it's leading to a better quality of life for all involved in the city. So it's a win-win situation. Well, the great thing about this technology is it's really easy to use. In fact, it's fully automated, so the driver doesn't have to do anything. They can focus on the road ahead. The vehicle will automatically store the energy that it needs to act within the eDrive zone. The only thing the driver needs to do is just charge the vehicle up when they have the opportunity, when it's parked up at home or at a place of work. At launch, in the UK, we will have the service available in London and Birmingham. However, our plan is to launch it in a number of additional cities in the near future across the UK and also Ireland. In Europe, we've also got the service as of today live in around 50 additional European cities. At launch, the BMW eDrive zones will be available on the new BMW 3 Series, 5 Series, 7 Series and X5 plug-in hybrid models. However, our aim is to roll it out onto a number of additional compatible models in the near future. At BMW, we believe that the plug-in hybrid vehicle helps to bridge a gap between the full combustion engine and the purely electric vehicle.